and welcome to my house. My name is Ida and I live here together with my cat, Theo. We have been living here in this house in south of Norway since January this year, 2020. And right now I'm going to show you a little bit around. Table you can sit 4 people, and you can also take it down if you want more space on the floor, and it also works as a viewing point for cats. And then the stairs, this also works as a chair, but you can also see you can store things in it. So here I have the sand to Theo. I also have some jackets and a little bit of everything. Over here, next step, I have Theo's toilet. So yeah, a home without a cat is just a house. Makes sense. So over here, his litter box and other things that belongs to Theo. And we continue here. Food for Theo. And also I have some pens and other things, and it goes all the way over there, so it's a lot. Okay, next thing, the fridge. And up here, the freezer, where I save, berries for the smoothie. And then the wardrobe. And the best thing is to have thin hangers, because if you have these thick ones, the wooden ones, you can just storage half of the items than if you have these ones. So I recently changed all these. Before I could just have 11 pieces hanging, and now I actually have 25 pieces hanging here. So that's very good. Vacuum cleaner up here I have. And books. Over here, continue with the clothes. Sweaters and trousers and everything. Yeah. Hats. Really like to fold them very good so they're standing like this. Then I can have more clothes because they're standing right up, you see everything, and then it's like you don't have a mess in the wardrobe. So that's very good. So I can storage a lot of clothes. So I'm not a minimalist yet, but I'm getting there. So during the time I have a space for my clothes. But also I'm gonna tell you a secret that I actually don't have all my clothes here because now it's getting it's summer soon here in Norway, so then I have all the winter clothes like the big jackets and warm sweaters. I have them on a friend's loft, so I go there when we change season. I just bring all the like winter clothes to there, and then I get the summer clothes to here. So I just have the ones I really use here. Over here I have the water tank and the pump system and everything smart. I also have a calendar here. Now I'm going to show you what's in this door. Here we have the bathroom. Come on. So here we have the sink, and if you're wondering about the water is in the water tank I showed you, and to get water filled up in the tank I use a garden hose from outside, put it in and fill it up. So then it goes into the water tank and then it comes out here. Hot and warm water, just like a normal house. Over here I also have some storage, a lot of storage actually. And soap, of course, it's important. Shower, so just a curtain, and here we have two types of showers depending on what mood you are in. So yeah, just a normal shower. Over here I have a toilet from Cinderella. It's a toilet that a burning toilet, so when you're finished what you're doing, you push the button and then it goes down, burns and turns into ashes. And like, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 times a month I empty the holder down there, and then it's just ashes that you can throw in the garbage. Yeah, so that's very good. And over here I have a washing machine, so it's for washing clothes, and it also get a combo dryer, so I can dry, like if I clean towels, big towels, I can also dry them. So that's very smart. And this is where I'm getting pretty in the morning with the mirror and everything. Up here I have boxes and cooking books. So I have some recipes here. So if I want to bake or something, just grab the book up there and you got it. Also, Theo really likes to just sleep up here and look over the whole house. Here, this is a sofa that's special designed by Norske Mikrohus, where I bought it, and it's the best thing I have in this house, except of Theo. Yeah. So you can take it out if you have guests, so here can sleep 2 adult persons on this bed. Also, I have storage here and here. I have some USB, I can charge my mobile over there, have a radio over there, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you. With this one, and Theo sits here. This is his place where he scratches nails, and yeah, this is where I hang keys, and this one for the shoes. Over here we have shoes and boxes, things you need when you are going outside. And I can really feel the nice wind from here. It's so lovely. I put some coffee cups here. It's really good to just use all the space you have, or a lot of space you have on the walls. Then you don't need to put so much in these ones. Over here we have things for the kitchen. So it's like, yeah, some things, glasses. Here's a lot of storage actually. Yeah, food things. Over here. pretty glasses when you get guests. Not so often right now, actually. So, over here I have the garbage things and other things. Dishwasher, just a normal oven. Down here, storage. And over here, a lot of storage. So here I have like casseroles and things like that. Mixer when I do the smoothie in the morning. This is where I do the cooking. We have cooking tools here. This one, good to have here to just have things on the walls, as I said. Herbs there and here, over here, good to have.
Hope you enjoy Ida's tiny house tour. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up and check out her Instagram page linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.